Door anchor basics, what and why.
A door anchor is a small, padded attachment that lets you fix resistance bands at various heights on a sturdy door. This simple tool transforms almost any room into a mini gym. By anchoring bands securely, you unlock a variety of exercises targeting all muscle groups, making your home workouts more versatile and effective.
Setting up safely for success.
Always check your door's sturdiness and close it fully before anchoring bands. Place the anchor on the hinge side for added security. Thread your resistance band through the loop, then gently pull to test stability. Proper setup not only prevents accidents, but also ensures you can exercise with full confidence and intensity.
Upper body strength. Push, pull, and press.
Elevate your upper body routines by changing the door anchor's height. High placement allows for lat pull-downs and triceps extensions. Middle placement is ideal for chest presses and rows. Low placement unlocks biceps curls and shoulder raises. With a door anchor, one band handles multiple exercises, helping sculpt your arms, back, chest, and shoulders.
Lower body power. Squats, lunges, and more.
Lower door anchor positions open up resistance band leg exercises. Secure the anchor near the base, then perform squats, glute kickbacks, and lunges for a strong lower body. Anchoring at varying heights challenges your muscles in new ways, helping you build stability, strength, and tone, all with minimal space or equipment.
Core challenges and creative finishers.
The door anchor makes core training more dynamic. Set your anchor low for resisted leg raises or at mid-height for standing twists and anti-rotation holds. Use short, intense finishers, such as wood chops or mountain climbers with band resistance, to ignite your core and boost your overall calorie burn at the end of any workout.
Tips for maintenance and progress.
Regularly check your bands and anchor for wear and tear. Rotate through different anchor heights and band tensions as you get stronger. Keep your workout space organized and always follow safety guidelines. With smart use and a little creativity, a door anchor will keep your resistance band workouts fresh, challenging, and effective for the long term.